Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times.
Will stand by you, Jaganmohan Reddy assures PM Modi. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy on Friday pledged support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in dealing with China, stating that he stands by the PM not only as YSRC President but also as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Whatever strategy you put in place, we will firmly stand by you, he assured the Prime Minister. Speaking at the all party meeting convened by the Prime Minister, Jaganmohan Reddy expressed anguish over the martyrdom of 20 Indian soldiers in the recent border clash with Chinese soldiers and stressed the need for all parties to stand shoulder to shoulder with the bereaved families. Offering his views on the border situation, he said, India's image has taken a huge leap forward globally thanks to Modi's leadership since 2014 and cited several diplomatic successes the country has had since, including the election of India as non permanent member of Union Nations Security Council. On the flip side, he said, the success has attracted the envy of some forces which are bent on de-establishing the country. COVID 19. Tirupati records 38 of 68 new cases in district. In the highest single day spike so far, 68 more COVID 19 infections were reported in Chittor district in the last 24 hours, ending Friday 9 am. From Wednesday 607, the district tally had jumped to 675 with the fresh additions. One of the biggest worry for the officials is Tirupati, which alone reported 38 of the 68 cases. Chittur urban recorded 8 infections, Renigunta, Puttur and Satyavedu 3 each, and BN Kandriga, Pedapanjani, GD Nellore, Yerpadu, Thavanampalli, Nimampalli, Srikalasti and Karveti Nagaram 1 each. A 14-year-old who had a surgery at a private hospital in Tirupati, a 29-year-old employee of a company in Sri City, a 23-year-old man employee of an automobile company, a 55-year-old woman from Chittur urban whose husband works at SVR Ruya Government Hospital in Tirupati, and a 50-year-old staff nurse of a Chittur private hospital were among those who tested positive. JC Prabhakar Reddy, son sent to police custody for 2 days. TDP leader JC Prabhakar Reddy and his son JC Asmit Reddy, arrested by Anantapur police for their alleged role in BS3 vehicle scam, were sent to police custody for 2 days. Prabhakar Reddy and his son are currently lodged in Kadapa Central Jail after an Anantapur court remanded them in 14 days judicial custody. Anantapur 1 Town Police filed a petition before the Principal Junior Civil Judge Court seeking 1 week police custody of the duo for questioning. However, Principal Junior Civil Judge T.H. Khan sent the duo to 2-day police custody. During the hearing of the petition filed by the police, counsel for Prabhakar Reddy and his son said only 1-day police custody should be allowed and the questioning should be done in Kadapa Central Jail only. But the judge dismissed the arguments and sent the duo to 2 police custody. A team of police from Anantapur set out for Kadapa to take Prabhakar Reddy and his son into custody. Need of hour is Ranniti, not Rajniti, Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao in all-party meet. Extending solidarity to Prime Minister Narendra Modi with regard to India-China face-off, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Friday told him not to compromise when it comes to the sovereignty and security of the country. India always has a potential danger in China. We have to move in a strategic manner, Rao said. However, the Chief Minister advised Modi not to take any hasty decisions during the present face-off between China and India, participating in an all-party meeting held by Modi over a video conference. Rao suggested the Prime Minister to adopt short-term and long-term strategies to face China in future. The state government would support fully the central government in its endeavour, Rao assured Modi. In the present situation, we do not require Rajniti, we require Ranniti, as the political administration is stable in the country and we have been emerging as a strong economic power. The envious China is provoking us for a tussle, Rao said. Defamation notices issued to Chandrababu Naidu. The state government has issued defamation notices to TDP chief N. Chandrababu Naidu and two vernacular dailies for publishing content allegedly defamatory in nature by distorting facts to promote their selfish agenda. In the notices served by State Public Prosecutor, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, K. Srinivas Reddy, the government took objection to news items on statements given by Naidu on extension of lease to Ms. Saraswati Power in Dachepalli, Guntur district and supply of bags for PDS rice distribution. Srinivas Reddy recalled one news item had said it was a shame on the part of Chief Minister to get the lease extended on his own company. The whole crux of the statement is that getting the extension of 50 years lease is shameful. The notice points out, adding that, as per an amendment act brought by the centre, all mining leases granted before the commencement of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulations Amendment Act 2015 shall be deemed to have been granted lease up to 50 years.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Bayan Times.